Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden pallet furniture. Wooden pallet furniture has become a popular and sustainable trend in the world of interior design and home decor. These humble, often overlooked pallets, originally used for shipping and handling goods, have found a new life as versatile and eco-friendly furniture pieces. The rise of wooden pallet furniture can be attributed to its affordability, sustainability, and the creative opportunities it offers. One of the key advantages of using wooden pallets for furniture is their low cost. Pallets are often discarded or sold at a very low price, making them an economical choice for those looking to furnish their homes on a budget. This affordability makes wooden pallet furniture accessible to a wide range of people, fostering a DIY culture where individuals can create unique, custom pieces without breaking the bank. The sustainability of wooden pallets adds another layer of appeal to this type of furniture. By repurposing pallets that would otherwise end up in landfills, individuals contribute to the reduction of waste and environmental impact. This eco-friendly approach aligns with the growing trend of sustainable living, where consumers are increasingly conscious of the materials used in their belongings and their overall environmental footprint. The versatility of wooden pallets is perhaps one of the most attractive features. Pallets can be transformed into a variety of furniture pieces, including coffee tables, sofas, bookshelves, bed frames, and more. The modular nature of pallets allows for creative freedom, encouraging DIY enthusiasts to experiment with different designs and configurations. This flexibility appeals to those who enjoy personalizing their living spaces and desire furniture that reflects their unique style. Creating wooden pallet furniture also provides an opportunity for individuals to engage in hands-on do-it-yourself projects. This aspect of the trend has spawned a community of crafters and hobbyists who share ideas, tutorials, and inspiration online. Social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram showcase an array of inventive pallet furniture design, fostering a sense of community among those passionate about crafting their own pieces. Beyond the DIY community, some businesses specialize in producing wooden pallet furniture. These companies take a more refined approach to pallet design, often sanding, staining, and finishing the wood to create polished, market-ready products. This evolution from a DIY trend to a commercial enterprise underscores the enduring appeal and market demand for wooden pallet furniture. In addition to being affordable, sustainable, and versatile, wooden pallet furniture exudes a rustic and authentic charm. The weathered look of pallet wood, with its distinct knots, imperfections, and markings adds character to each piece. This aesthetic resonates with those who appreciate a more natural and earthy feel in their homes. The rustic appeal of wooden pallet furniture complements various interior design styles, from farmhouse and industrial to eclectic and bohemian. The popularity of wooden pallet furniture is a testament to the convergence of affordability, sustainability, versatility, and creativity. Whether embraced as a DIY project or sourced from specialized businesses, pallet furniture offers an accessible and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional furnishings. As the trend continues to gain momentum, it not only transforms discarded pallets into functional and stylish pieces, but also reflects a broader shift towards more conscious and personalized living spaces. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.